In our final trade of the day, Paul Foster of the Street Insider is here to talk about what he sees happening in the options market. So happy to have you back on the show, Paul.
Hi, Ange.
Apple, it was a big drag on the market last week. We could get a bounce back potentially this week with an event happening on Tuesday that we talked about earlier in the show. So what's happening in the options on Apple?
Yeah, investors, traders have always been rewarded in front of events by purchasing calls on Apple. The event this week is going to create more potential for an upward swing in the stock price.
What calls are people buying in Apple?
In the weeklies this week, there's going to be the March 170 calls and the March 172.5 weekly calls.
And that is suggesting what?
Traders are going to bid up the stock of Apple through the 170 strike, 172.5, 175. They've been rewarded over the years. They're looking for a reward this time.
They think that stock is going higher.
Correct.
And what do you make of the sell-off in Micron?
You know what? One house lowered their rating. 4 or 5 others were enthusiastic still about Micron. There's still a tight supply of Micron. There's still call buyers in Micron. Call to put ratio is still going to be high over the next couple weeks.
Do you think Friday's selling was a knee-jerk reaction in Micron? It's been such a strong stock.
Yeah, the stock had been up. Maybe they just needed to take profits. The short-term traders, the investors, the people with long-term money have been bidding up the stock.
Always a pleasure. Thank you so much. Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.